Deep beneath the ocean, power and silence move together. Today, we take you inside one of the world's most secure, secretive, and advanced submarine factories, where the $4 billion Virginia-class Hunter is built. This is not just a machine. It is an engineering marvel, a masterpiece of technology, and the future of global underwater defense. The mission is always the same. Build a submarine that the enemy can't see, but if the moment comes, can strike with unmatched precision. The process is complex, yet absolutely breathtaking. Every bolt, every panel, every sensor carries its own story. The first stage of a Virginia-class submarine is hull fabrication. This is where thick steel plates slowly transform into a massive, pressure-resistant body. These steel walls are engineered to survive the crushing force of the deep ocean. There is zero room for error. Next comes the module assembly phase. Modern factories don't build submarines in one piece. They build them in sections. Each section is like its own world. Crew, living quarters, the control room, mission centers, and the complex passages that the sailors move through. Now we reach the reactor compartment, the heart of the submarine. Although many details remain classified, one thing is certain. This reactor can power the submarine for years without refueling. It represents not just engineering brilliance, but the peak of human ingenuity. Then comes the most thrilling stage, integration. Here, all major sections are brought together. For the first time, the submarine begins to take shape. It feels like watching a giant awaken for the very first time. The technology installed inside is some of the quietest and most sensitive in the world. Sonar arrays, radar-absorbing materials, stealth coatings, everything is designed to hide the submarine from the enemy. This is a machine made to disappear, seen less, but capable of doing more. Now we step into the crew quarters, where over 100 sailors live for months at a time. Space is limited, but every inch is designed for comfort, safety, and mental well-being. Everything here is optimized for life beneath the waves. Finally, the submarine receives its painting and stealth coating. This is no ordinary paint. It's a special material that absorbs sound, radar, and vibration. This is the secret that turns it into a true hunter. Deadly, but silent. Now it's time for the submarine to move to the launch dock. When it touches the water for the first time, every engineer feels a moment of pride because they know they are sending one of humanity's greatest creations into the ocean. It is emotional and unforgettable. But the journey doesn't end here. Now begins the sea trials. For months, the submarine is tested. Speed, depth, stealth, endurance. These are some of the hardest ocean tests on the planet. Only when it passes every test is it given the title of Hunter. This is the world where humans and machines come together to build the future. A Virginia-class submarine is not just a weapon. It's a responsibility, a promise, and a force designed to protect peace. Today, you witnessed how a $4 billion Virginia-class Hunter travels from its first steel plate to the deep ocean. This journey is not just about technology. It is about human ability, courage, and the determination to secure the future. This factory has become a symbol of excellence, where dreams, steel, and power come together to write history.